entry is one of the most outsourced types of work and is often done on a large scale. Most companies require data entry for their daily operations, but it takes a lot of time. To save cost, businesses opt to outsource it to specialized external partners instead of having an in-house teams. Small businesses to large corporations often outsource data entry projects to BPO providers. But what are these services? Hello, good people. This is Mori from ASO BPO and I am welcoming you all to yet another video of ours. As we know, in this age of internet and IT, the demand for data entry is rising at an unpredictable level. That's why I have decided to talk with you about the services of data entry and the different categories of these services. Let's dig into the topic. What are data entry services? Data entry in simple terms is inputting, transcribing and sorting out written data into online digital formats. The goal of data entry services is to accurately and efficiently process large amounts of information, allowing organizations to effectively manage their data. Why outsource data entry services? Businesses outsource data entry for many reasons. In essence, the advantage of outsourcing data entry services surpass the drawbacks of not using them. Data entry outsourcing services can improve the quality of the data. Moreover, hiring a data entry outsourcing services can eventually reduce the time it takes for your business to get a project done. Data entry may be demanding, but it is a small part of a business, so it makes it more reasonable to outsource the work rather than putting your in-house team on it. Different categories of data entry services. Data entry refers to extracting data from a written source and converting it into a digital form. However, there are different categories of data entry work. Let's now talk about the types of data entry services. Data cleansing. Data cleansing is a common form of data processing that involves organizing and fixing data stored database to correct errors, duplicates, and incomplete records. The process does not involve transcribed data as it is already in a digital form. Data processing. Data processing services are higher level of data entry that involve collecting, sorting, and manipulating data to produce meaningful information. It should not be confused with data cleansing, which focuses on refining the digitalized data to be more organized and error-free. Data cleansing as a part of the process and produces meaningful outputs that can inform business decisions. Data classification. Data classification is a type of data entry service that involves sorting data into different categories by identifying its properties and characteristics. This process includes tagging, indexing, and classifying data. Data classification is crucial as it organizes the data, making it ready for further use of inspection, without which the information cannot be utilized effectively by computers and AI. Data conversion. Data conversion is the simple act of converting data from one format to another. Data conversion ranges from audio transcription to photo transcription, but usually it all boils down to capturing data from analog sources and converting it into digital format. Data capturing and entering. Data capturing and entering are important categories of data entry. Data capturing involves collecting information. For example, a patient is filling out forms in hospital. The information is then converted into a digital format and sent to the data entry, which is the process of inputting the collected data into a digital database. Online survey. Information captured from online survey forms is often needed to be sorted into a meaningful data. Although now mostly automated manual data entry is sometimes still needed to sort information from online survey results. So, in summary, these are the various categories of data entry services. The diversity and complexity of these services often requires specialized technology and a skilled workforce, making data entry outsourcing a popular option for businesses. By outsourcing data processing services, a company can concentrate on its core operation, allowing for greater efficiency and peace of mind. I hope this information was useful. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any other questions. If you want to hire an agency from Bangladesh Bangladesh, then SLBPO is your choice, as we are one of the best data entry service providers who has been providing its outsourcing service since 2014 to companies in the UK, France, USA, Canada, and China, among others. We are experienced offshore data entry company with trained employees guaranteeing over 99% accuracy in our work. That's it for today. We'll see you in the next video. Adios!